It might sound like a fantasy to you if someone tells you that within 6 months you can amass wealth like Warren Buffett. Well, don't let it shock you, as it can be very real. We have put together strategic decisions and habits you can explore that mirror the investment titan's approach to make it easier. The first step is to 1. Adopt a wealth mindset. Before we begin to dissect this strategy, we would like to introduce you to something great that can be of help to you. If you are looking to amplify your income and reach financial goals swiftly, consider leveraging the power of free online resources. Websites like Workity.com offer a comprehensive suite of services. It's a free site to advertise your business, post free ads, and a free marketplace to sell items. Exploiting this platform can drastically reduce costs and increase your market presence, both locally in the UK, USA, and globally. Okay, so back to our discussion. Imagine stepping into a room full of people who believe money is the ultimate tool for creating opportunities, not a source of endless worry. That's the essence of adopting a wealth mindset. Now, let's talk about what this really means and how you can make it part of your life within just 6 months. First off, what is a wealth mindset? It's a way of looking at your financial life that focuses on abundance and growth rather than scarcity and limitation. This mindset isn't just about feeling good, it's about setting the stage for real financial success. People with a wealth mindset don't see money as a finite resource, but as something that can grow and expand. They spend less, invest wisely, and always look for ways to improve their financial standing, often with minimal risk. Now, how do you shift from a scarcity mindset, one that might whisper, money is evil, or I'll never be rich, to a wealth mindset? It starts with education. Learn about managing finances, investing, and the principles of wealth. Knowledge is power after all. The more you understand about money, the less intimidating it becomes and the more you can do with it. Setting goals is also crucial, but here's the real deal. Start small. If saving 10% of your paycheck seems overwhelming, why not start with 1%? As you get comfortable, you can gradually increase this amount. This approach isn't about changing overnight, but building sustainable habits that lead to long-term wealth. Investing is another cornerstone of a wealth mindset. Think of it as making your money work for you, even while you sleep. Whether it's through a 401k, an IRA, or direct stock investments, the key is to start. And with compound interest, the earlier you start, the better. Just ask anyone who's seen their investments grow over time. The initial sacrifices can lead to substantial rewards. The second step is 2. Smart spending and budgeting. Let's take this scenario. Every dollar you spend, you've earned with your time, your energy. Think about it. When you're about to buy that shiny new gadget or that fancy designer jacket, ask yourself, how many hours did I work to make this money? This perspective comes from none other than Warren Buffett himself. He suggests thinking of spending in terms of the hours you've worked to earn that money. It's a game changer, right? So, let's talk about smart spending and budgeting with a story. Consider a young entrepreneur, excited and ready to make her mark. She earns a decent paycheck, but somehow, by the end of the month, she's scratching her head, wondering where all her money went. Sound familiar? That's because it's a common tale. The twist comes when she starts applying Buffett's principle. She begins to see her expenses in a new light. Each item isn't just a price tag, it's minutes and hours of her life. Suddenly, that $200 pair of shoes represents a whole day's work. She asks herself, is it really worth it? Now, it's not just about cutting back. Warren Buffett once said, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This nugget of wisdom flips the script on how we usually think about money. It's about prioritizing saving over spending, which leads us right into the heart of budgeting. Budgeting isn't just about tracking expenses or cutting costs. It's about understanding your financial flow and directing it towards your goals. Start by jotting down all your expenses. Yes, even that morning latte or the occasional movie ticket. You'd be surprised how the little things add up. The next step, categorize these expenses. Some are necessities, like rent and groceries. Others are nice to haves, and some might just be impulses that you can learn to control. Here's where it gets interesting. Once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, set some goals. Maybe you want to build an emergency fund, save for a vacation, or invest in a new business idea. With your expenses laid out, you can see where to trim the fat, so to speak, and redirect that money towards your goals. And remember, tracking your expenses isn't a one-time affair. Make it a habit. Check in weekly or monthly. There are tons of apps and tools out there to help, but a simple spreadsheet works wonders too. The key is consistency. As Buffett teaches us, it's the small, consistent actions that build up to big results. Think of budgeting as your financial compass. It shows where you're heading and helps you steer in the right direction. Warren Buffett didn't build his wealth through haphazard spending. He made calculated decisions consistently applied over time. So, why not take a page from his book? Start seeing your spending through the lens of your hard-earned hours. Prioritize saving and keep a keen eye on where every dollar goes. Let's make those dollars work for you, not just slip through your fingers. Before continuing on the journey to wealth, it's essential to utilize every available resource. Workity.com serves as a free advertising suite for affiliates' products, services, and a free marketplace for posting deals on products. This site acts not only as a free best classified ad site, but also as a free company directory, making it an invaluable tool for expanding your business reach without overhead costs. Additionally, the platform offers free business directory listing and free job advertising sites, which are crucial for growing your team and scaling operations. Engage with this free service posting site to maximize exposure and drive traffic to your offerings. By strategically using such resources, you ensure continuous growth and increased profitability with minimal financial input. Now, back to where we stopped from. Next up on our list to financial freedom in 6 months is 3. Improving skills and networking. Let's start with upping those skills. You're eyeing a promotion, or maybe you're itching to switch industries. What's going to set you apart? The skills you bring to the table. Today's job market demands continuous learning, not just to keep up, but to stand out. Dive into online courses, workshops, or even consider pursuing further education like an MBA. You'll not only enhance your expertise, but also boost your earnings potential. Companies often seek out those who show initiative in their professional development, recognizing their drive with promotions and better job opportunities. So, what about networking? Well, think of networking as your career fuel. It's not just about handing out business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. It's about building genuine relationships. Whether it's through attending industry conferences, joining professional organizations, or even volunteering, each connection has the potential to open new doors. For instance, many job openings aren't even advertised publicly. They're filled through referrals within a professional network. By expanding your circle, you enhance your visibility and chances to grab those hidden opportunities. And here's a pro tip. Leverage technology to your advantage. Use platforms like LinkedIn for more than just job hunting. Share your insights, engage with content relevant to your field, and connect with thought leaders. This not only boosts your visibility, but also helps you establish yourself as a knowledge professional in your industry. The next step is 4. Setting specific financial goals. When setting financial goals, think of it as mapping a road trip where every milestone is a stop along the way to your ultimate destination. To get started, it's crucial to define clear, measurable, and realistic objectives that resonate with your personal values and financial circumstances. Here's how you can plan to achieve these goals in 6 months. Be specific and quantifiable. Start by specifying what you want to accomplish with your finances. For example, rather than just aiming to save more money, set a goal like save $3,000 for an emergency fund. This clarity helps you measure progress and stay focused. Break it down into steps. Once you have your goals, break them into smaller, manageable tasks. If your 6-month goal is to save $3,000, determine how much you need to save each month to meet this target. This could involve setting up automatic transfers to a savings account right after payday. Align your actions with goals. Ensure that your daily spending habits support your broader financial goals. This might mean cutting back on non-essential expenses or finding additional income sources to boost your savings rate. Monitor and adjust. Keep a close eye on your progress. If you find yourself off track, reassess your strategies and make necessary adjustments. Regular check-ins will help you stay committed and make changes as needed. Celebrate small wins. Recognize and celebrate when you reach smaller milestones. This builds motivation and reinforces the habit of working towards your financial objectives. The last step is maintaining discipline and patience. 5. Maintaining discipline and patience. Discipline in financial management isn't just about avoiding splurges. It's about creating and sticking to a plan that aligns with your long-term financial goals. It's sort of being in a marathon, not a sprint. You need to maintain focus on your financial goals, resist impulsive spending, and stay the course with your investment strategies even when the market gets rocky. Now, on the patience front, this isn't just about waiting. It's about strategic waiting. You see, significant financial growth, like the kind that truly changes your life, often requires time. Whether it's through disciplined investing with methods like dollar cost averaging or by methodically paying down debt, the results you want to see from such strategies typically unfold over years, not just months. It's also crucial to continuously educate yourself on financial matters and keep adapting your strategies as you gain more knowledge and your financial situation evolves. This might involve adjusting your investments or reshuffling your budget to better align with your changing priorities and goals. As you approach your 6-month goal, revisit your strategies to ensure they align with your targets. Workity.com remains a pivotal tool in this phase, offering free advertisement posting and a free business listing directory to maintain your visibility and outreach. Leveraging such a free advertising site online helps keep operational costs low while maximizing returns, setting you firmly on the path to financial success. You need to check it out today. As you begin or continue your journey towards greater wealth, remember all these steps. Stay committed, adjust as needed, and the progress you seek will follow. Here's to your financial success. Kindly share this video with anyone you think might find it valuable, and check out the next one in the series.